Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable notification on Atomic Wallet. To turn on notification on Atomic Wallet, first of all, open your Atomic Wallet app and sign into your account. After you are logged into your Atomic Wallet account, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Notifications from the Wallet and Security tab, and if you want to receive push notifications for incoming transactions and promotions and news, you can toggle on both of the toggle menu, and right after you do that, you will receive notifications for incoming transactions and promotions and news. So that is how you enable push notifications on Atomic Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.